Hello everyone. Take a sheet of paper and then fold it as such. Fold in the top edge, open the entire sheet and then fold according to the initial fold that you have created. Now fold it in such a way that the top edge is internally folded. Diagonally fold the top ends and then reverse the sheet to see how it looks. Cut out the edges, fold upward the lower half and fold out the sides. Make a cut in the center and then fold it sideways and you have yourself a bow. Insert the side edges in the square. Finally cut the base in ribbon shape. For our next craft, take a sheet of paper and then fold it to make it meet in the middle. Then only fold one strip, reverse the paper and then make two edges meet in the center. Raise the edges as such and then fold the bottom upwards. Then insert the edge inwards and add a face. Insert one end into the other and you have a ring. For our next craft, take a square sheet of paper and then fold in the edges. Make the edges meet in the center and then fold over the sides. Open it up and once more we will be making a box-like shape. Once you are done with folding in three sides, for the fourth side, fold it in a rectangular shape to make the top of a box. Next, take another sheet of paper and then fold it in as such. We are making an envelope to stick in the front of your bag. Next, add two handles as such and add a bow. There you have it. Thank you for watching.